Let's talk about how to speed up your home loan approval timeline. Hi there. Today I want to tell you a story, one that might sound a lot like something you're going through right now. Meet Sarah. Sarah found her dream home. It had a big backyard, the perfect kitchen, and a cozy front porch. She made an offer, and it was accepted. But then came the waiting for her loan to be approved. Days turned into weeks, and Sarah started to worry. Was there something she could have done to speed things up? Yes, there were actually a few things, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through what Sarah learned, so you don't get stuck waiting like she did. Here's what we'll cover. What home loan approval really means. Why it sometimes takes a while. What you can do to make it faster. And what to avoid so things don't slow down. Let's get into it. First, what is home loan approval? Sarah didn't totally understand this at first. She thought, I picked a house, and the bank said I could get a loan. Shouldn't that be it? But there's more to it. The bank or lender has to double-check everything. They want to be sure Sarah can pay the loan back. So, they looked at her job, her income, her credit score, and even the house itself to make sure it was worth the money she was borrowing. It's kind of like a teacher checking your homework, just a lot more paperwork. So, why does it take so long sometimes? Sarah learned that each part of the process takes time. The lender asked her for pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns. They also had to do an appraisal to check how much the house was worth, and if anything was missing or needed more info. That meant more waiting. But here's where Sarah got smart, and where you can too. She found out there are simple things you can do to move everything along much faster. Here's what she did. First, she got pre-approved before she even started house hunting. This means her lender had already looked at her credit and finances, so when she found her dream home, she already had a head start. Next, she got her documents ready early. She kept a folder with her pay stubs, bank statements, her last tax return, and a photo ID. When the lender asked for them, she sent them right away. No delays. Then, Sarah made sure not to make any big changes. She kept her job, didn't open new credit cards, and didn't make any large purchases, like a new car. That might sound small, but it made a big difference. Her lender didn't have to stop and recheck anything. She also answered questions quickly. When the lender called or emailed, Sarah made sure to reply as soon as she could. That way, the process didn't get stuck waiting on her. And finally, Sarah worked with a great team, a helpful real estate agent, and a lender who explained things clearly. With their help, her loan was approved quickly, and she was moving into her new home before she knew it. But not everyone is like Sarah. Some people get delayed because they forget to send documents, or they make big changes to their credit right in the middle of the process. Others don't realize how long the home appraisal can take, or they switch lenders halfway through, which usually means starting all over again. So here's what you can learn from Sarah's story. To speed up your home loan approval. Get pre-approved early. Keep your documents organized and ready. Don't make big money moves during the process. Reply quickly to your lender's questions. And work with a great, experienced team. It might not make the process instant, but it can definitely make it faster and smoother. We believe the path to your new home shouldn't be full of stress and delays. We're here to guide you through every step, just like we helped Sarah. Thanks for listening to her story, and hopefully, it helps you write your own home buying success story too. For more information, be sure to connect with us. We're always here to help.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Mitchell Milat, or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.